Welcome back to another tabletop review. Today we'll look at the Kimber Rimfire Target 22 caliber conversion kit for the 1911 45 automatic pistol. There were a couple of reasons that led me to buy this 22 conversion kit. First, I need to say that about 10 years ago when I bought this kit, 45 caliber ammo was not cheap. At about 50 cents a pop, it was pretty expensive compared to a 22 long rifle that was going at about 7 cents each. Now, a lot has changed over the years. In fact, you might remember that a few years ago, the availability of 22 long rifle was a bit of a problem, and the cost was getting close to that of 45 ammo, if you can believe that. It was really weird. But I just checked prices today, and I found that 45 ACP is selling about 71 cents to almost $2 each, whereas even match grade 22 long rifle is available today at 15 cents each. I just bought a box of 525 round Federal 36 grain long rifle for about 3.4 cents each. Even the round nose 40 grain CCI 22 long rifle mini mag was available at 8 cents each. By the way, 9mm 115 grain, if you can even find it, is going for 40 cents each, compared to about 30 cents just 2 months ago. I know some of you may reload your own ammo, so you may not see this issue the same. I don't personally have the time to reload my ammo. Even if you do, it's still hard to compete with the value of 22 ammo. Anyhow, I always take more than one gun to the range when I go, and I try to go at least once a month to make sure I'm well trained and practiced with the gun and holster I'm currently carrying. Plus, I take at least one more gun for fun. I usually fire off a lot of rounds. If I take a family member with me, it can get really expensive. Between the costs of the range time and the ammo, I was looking for a way to reduce my expenses. Second, I wanted to introduce my young daughter to larger handguns. While she loved her Ruger 22, I thought she should learn how to handle a 1911 and get an appreciation for that 1911's trigger. I also thought it best to do it gradually, and this conversion kit could provide a good training platform. The carrying case on its outside cover states that it fits most 1911 pistols. The case consists of a owner's manual, a magazine, hard plastic, 10 rounds, and the upper section. The color is silver for this one, but it can also be obtained in black. States on it that it's a Target grade. I did purchase an additional magazine for this unit. They ran about $20 each at the time. The barrel is match grade steel. The slide itself is aluminum. The sights are metal, and the rear sight is fully adjustable. Obviously, the advantage is that it's a direct replacement of the slide on a full-size 1911. This is my Kimber Custom, and as you can see, it's almost identical except for color as this slide here. So we'll go ahead and exchange these. Basically, we just remove the slide here from the frame, which I'll do, and be right back. With the 45 slide removed from the frame, I can just slide the conversion unit right on, line up the hole there, insert the pin, and there we are. I think it looks pretty good. I should mention that there is a difference in weight between this unit and the 45 slide assembly. The weight difference between the loaded 45 was about 37.5 ounces compared to this unit with the aluminum 22 slide is at 25.7 ounces fully loaded. So that's a lot lighter. Some additional cons I should probably mention: misfires and misfeeds. This gun is ammo sensitive. High velocity round nose rounds are recommended, and it does make a difference. It does not lock back after the last round is fired. It has an aluminum slide, and I think it was designed that way to protect the slide. Unlike some other conversions that are out there, there's a SIG 22 conversion, for example. The Kimber 22 conversion kit does not offer a threaded barrel for suppressor. And probably the issue that I have the most dislike for is that the mag does not have a spring assist for loading. At about $300, you might say, well, why not just invest in a dedicated 22 pistol? Well, at the time, nothing compared to providing the quality and 1911 feel of this particular combination, so the decision was a fairly easy one. On the pro side, you get to keep everything if you've invested in the lower part of your gun while pairing a quality Kimber 22 upper for an excellent training solution. Draw, grip, handling, sight picture, breathing, squeeze, and trigger control can be practiced affordably. Something that goes without saying is that it's nice that you have the ability to utilize the holsters that you're used to using. The slide is perfect match. And one more very important thing. Unlike most 22s, this unit is safe to dry fire. So after more than 10 years of use, what have I learned? Well, with regards to accuracy, at 20 yards, it's very easy to maintain a tight 3-inch cluster with this unit. Regarding ammo, I have the best experience with CCI mini mags. They are the most accurate and basically run flawlessly through this unit. I find firing 22 ammo is typically a fairly dirty process. If well oiled, first rounds usually run okay through this unit. As it gets dirtier, it seems to become more sensitive to the quality of the ammo. Just my observation. For me, the cheap Federal and bulk Blazer ammo has run fairly well with only 2 to 4 extraction problems per 100. For inexpensive 22 long rifle, that's not too bad. To be honest, I usually spurge for the higher quality CCI mini mags at 8 cents each because I like the feel and the smooth running. I think it's worth it. So the cleaning of the slide is the same process as it would be for the 45 slide. We have the bushing here that needs to be turned in order to release the spring here. Allows us to remove the rod and the spring. The bushing needs to be rotated counterclockwise to remove it, and that allows us to remove the barrel. So there we go. Reassembly is basically the reverse. Got a flat end here on the rod. And there we go. At the time that I bought this conversion kit, the suggested price was $330, but I saw them for as low as $280. Today the suggested price is $340. I never seem to see any used ones for sale. I found that if I keep it clean and well oiled, the Kimber Rimfire Target conversion kit works very well. I've had the best luck with CCI mini mags, but it'll run high velocity, round head, bulk ammo well enough. Personally, I can live with a misfire or a failure to feed from time to time at the range. The trade-off is I can get a lot more range time without breaking the bank. It's got really good accuracy. Paired with the Kimber custom frame, I get the Kimber quality 1911 shooting experience without the expense. Did I make the right decision to buy this conversion kit? Well, given the number of rounds I've put through this thing since I got it, Absolutely. I made back my investment long ago. Any weapon you carry is better than the one you left at home. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll be back for my next tabletop review. Until next time, stay safe.